In the festive season of Ganeshotsav, let's make Lord Ganesha's favorite food Ukdiche Modak, also known as sweet coconut dumplings. For making these modaks, we need 2 tablespoons of ghee, some saffron soaked in warm milk, this is optional, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 cups of rice flour, 3/4 cup of jaggery, 1 1/2 cup of grated coconut, 2 cups of water, and some turmeric leaves. In a wok, add 2 cups of water, let it come to boil. To the boiling water, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ghee, give it a stir, and then add 2 cups of rice flour to it and mix well. Cover it for about 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. After about 5 minutes, transfer it to a bowl and let it cool for some time. Once the mixture is at a temperature that you can work on it, start kneading it. In between, add some ghee and knead it to a smooth dough. Then knead it at a flat bottom surface to make a soft pliable dough. Now cover the dough and keep it aside. To make stuffing for the modaks, add ghee in a pan, then add the grated coconut to it and stir fry it for a minute or so. Then add jaggery and mix well. Once the jaggery melts and the moisture dries up, add cardamom powder to it and mix well. Turn off the heat and let the stuffing cool before filling the modak. To make modak, take some portion of the dough and make a soft ball out of it. Here I have taken a modak mold greased with ghee. Insert the soft ball in the modak mold. Dip your thumb in ghee and make a well in between the modak mold and push the dough to the sides of the mold so that the excess of the dough will be removed. Then add the coconut jaggery filling to the modak. Make a small disc out of the dough and cover the modak and push the sides inside the mold and seal the modak. In a traditional way, dip your thumb in ghee and make a well in the center of the dough ball, and with the help of both your hands form a cup-like structure. Make sure that you make the layer as thin as possible. Dust your fingers with some flour and make pleats to the cup. texture. With the help of your fingers, bring all the plates closer to each other by rotating the modak in a circular motion. You can dust your fingers with some flour if needed. And finally, bring all the plates together. And here our modak is ready. For steaming the modak, I have kept some water for boiling in a pan and placed a steamer rack in it. Here I have a bamboo steamer which is lined with turmeric leaves greased with some ghee. Turmeric leaves will infuse its flavor in the modak. If you can't find turmeric leaves, you can use butter pepper as well. Now dip the base of the modak in water and then place it in the steamer, as it will prevent the modaks from cracks. After placing the modaks in the steamer, cover it and steam for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the lid and our Ukdiche Modaks are ready. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.